Hello everyone. Welcome to Online Help Guide channel. Today, in this video, we are going to show you how to review filtered comments on your TikTok videos. So let's start. First, unlock your mobile phone and open the TikTok app. Once you open the TikTok app, you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and it will take you to your profile page. You can see the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the hamburger icon. Now, you will see two options: Creator Tools and Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, you will see many options. From there, tap on Privacy. Now, you look for the comments under the Safety section and tap on it. Scroll down and there you will find Review Filtered Comments under Comment Management. Tap on it, and there you will find the comments. From there you choose the comments that you want to approve or delete the comments. Now you know the ways to review the filtered comments on your TikTok videos. Enjoy reviewing your filtered comments. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.